So, guys, who else is enjoying a foggy morning this morning? I know the camera makes this look a lot clearer than it really is, but it's not so bright. It's actually pretty cloudy and darker than this. But we're gonna look at this. So, what I'm gonna go do now, guys, is actually go grocery shopping this morning. So, let's go.
How cute are these girls? I love them. Comes with a little tray.
So guys, my Target just got these. They didn't have these before, but look, they have this SanDisk Extreme Plus, and I'm excited to get this. I'm gonna get the 64 gigabyte because this one is $25. I would have loved to get the more expensive one with more space, but working on a budget right now. So I'm gonna get one of these because I want to make sure I have one extra with fun SanDisk, but definitely gonna come back and check these guys out later on. And guys, look what they have here. I love this section. It has everything I want but don't have money for. But look, you can get the little Mario chip for your Nintendo Switch. If you have one, you need this if you play Mario games. But I love these. I want all these controllers just for fun to stock them up. It's gonna be exciting. Nintendo is a they have the Nintendo controller, the game. This is like the best part. How cool is this? See how big it is. Let her go through. Oh. How cool is this guy? This is one of my things I need on my list. It is not a bad price. They actually have your letter name for each one of these guys. You want to see the fancy? This is what I need to eat. What is this? All the Harry Potter fans. You can have one too. And they have Space Jam. And it actually has the engraving on it. Mini trees. How pretty is this? There's so much ornaments. Oh yes, fireplace Santa. Oh, look what we have. Can I actually talk? Oh yeah. Oh, so much ornaments. This is it. Darth Vader. I would be scared to have these so they don't break down. Star Wars. Chewbacca. Princesses. The Smurfs. Papa Smurf. still cloudy, even though it's almost 9 o'clock, I believe. It is 9 o'clock in the morning at Whole Foods. It's a mess right now, but early morning shopping is what you want to do if you don't want to be in a crowd. You have like the tiniest little trees, guys, if you don't have a lot of space. All your baking needs are right here, and they're on sale. Look at this. Everything you need to bake. Right here at Whole Foods. Don't be scared. Just come and bake stuff. So this is it. Still working on getting some sun. It's bright, but it's not sunny. So we're still working on this day, but it's grocery shopping day. When the weather is like this, a lot of people tend not to come out. So it works out great for me. So I don't have to deal with a lot of people and get my grocery shopping done super fast. So let's go ahead and finish. Last stop, guys, Walmart. So many little cute Christmas thing here, but this Mickey, how cute is this? You have the little diamond stud and Mickey necklace. But if you're a Nightmare fan like me, this is more of your thing right here. How cute is this guy? I may get it, we'll see. May not. Probably gonna wait until it goes on sale. A lot of my workout clothes at Walmart, guys. I'm gonna get a few of these little tops. coffee. If you like to make coffee, if you guys watch K-dramas, I've seen this so many times in the dramas. We finally have one here at my local Walmart. So one thing I noticed, guys, is how much companies are actually giving out coupons on products at all the stores, not just Walmart. So if you're looking for a product, actually look to see if they have coupons, because you can pair these guys up with paper coupons with all the rebates I tell you guys about, like Ibotta and other ones. So that way you can get a lot off of it. You can get some great prices. Look what we have, guys, here. We have bubble green tea, and we also have this tiger milk tea. But I think I'm gonna try this guy, the golden milk, because it is on sale. Golden turmeric latte. You don't drink latte like that? I don't drink latte, but this is worth trying because I do like the Tazo tea, so I'm gonna see how this tastes. So how fun is this? I used to buy this at like my local Asian stores, but we actually have it at Walmart now. I'm excited about this because I used to get these. They have strawberry, they have uni, original flavor, carbonated. But these are just soft drink, guys, and have a melon flavor. I love this. I'm gonna buy it. There's a little ball on top you pop, so I'm gonna buy this. Not today because this is just something I saw, but I'm gonna buy it to try it for you guys. It's $5.98. If you're a Darth Vader fan, this is a real cast iron Darth Vader baking skillet. So if you want to go ahead, if you're a Darth Vader fan, Star Wars, Disney, this is with pancake mix. You need this if you're a Vader fan. Yeah. Look how sunny it is right now, guys. The sun decided to come out. And I'm glad because I'm officially done shopping, so I'm just gonna pack everything in the car. So I'm just gonna pack everything in the car and just go home. So I finally made it back home, guys, and one of the things I forgot to show you at Walmart is I got these cookies. They're chocolate and oatmeal and raisins. I've been looking at these for like 3 weeks and finally decided to try some. So my little snacks while I put everything away.